Did you know that Cleopatra actually used to bathe in milk and honey? My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and I'm going to show you how to make a honey firming facial mask. Honey is an excellent tool to use in any at-home facial. It has excellent bacteria fighting qualities, and it's also a humectant, which means that it retains moisture. We all need that. So what we're going to start with is one egg white. I have a little bowl here. And we're going to put in a tablespoon of honey. The darker the better. If you can get raw honey, that's great. It's best if you can get it from a bee farm, but that's difficult. You can also get it from a health food store or even your local grocery store. That's good too. And then I'm going to add just a 1/4 teaspoon of flour, just so it'll help it make a little bit of a paste. I add essential oil to almost everything I do just because it makes it smell good, and that's part of the experience, right? So we're going to whisk it until you can get a really good paste. And when you apply this, you want to make sure that your skin is clean. If it's freshly exfoliated, by that I mean if you freshly remove the dead skin, that is even better because your skin can really absorb it. Leave it on there for 10 to 15 minutes, and your skin is going to be brighter and smoother when you're done. My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and that is how you make a honey firming facial mask.